Welcome to my online class. This is Mahfuz Rahman speaking, Assistant Teacher English, Sundepur High School. Dear learners, per month 5 classes already I have to submit only for you. And previous month I have already submitted 5 classes on different important grammatical topics. And today, continuously, I am trying my best to give you something exceptional and very much important grammatical rules. And today's topic is tag question, and it is known to you that the students who are now in class 9 and 10, particularly the students who will sit for exam, for pre-test exam, there is a kind of item and the name of the item is tag question has been added. So in this situation, and that is why I have tried my best to make understand you about tag question. So dear learners, what do you mean by tag? Tag is a kind of question that means add, and. So in this situation we can say what things we should add. Naturally, when you say any sentence, when you say any information, any message to anybody, in this situation my message, my information is right, and in the conception I have to add a kind of question, and in this situation this question is called tag. Like, Messi is the best player of the world, isn't it? This is isn't it is a kind of tag. That means my information is correct. When I try my best to collect the assignment of you, then it is called tag. So I am trying my best to make understand you. So if you want to solve any kinds of problems that deals with tag, at first you have to select 1, 2, 3 these 3 items. Number 1 is pronoun, number 2 is auxiliary verb, and number 3 not, maybe or not. So I am clarifying it. We have made a cup of tea. So in the sentence you can identify we, subject, have, auxiliary verb, made, main verb, and this is object. So in this situation what you have to do? You have to do at first select the auxiliary verb of the sentence. So it is known to all, have is called here an auxiliary verb. So I have to add here number 1, and that is have. Sorry, auxiliary verb, and we here is subject. So pronoun, auxiliary verb. This subject is also in pronoun form. The number 1 pronoun, number 2 auxiliary verb, and number 3 not, maybe or not. So I have to decorate it accordingly. At first I have to say pronoun. Okay, pronoun here we. Next I have to set auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? Here have is auxiliary verb. I have to set from my right hand position. Number 1 auxiliary verb, number 1 pronoun, number 2 auxiliary verb, and number 3 not, maybe or not. Dear learners, when you see there is not a negative word in the sentence, then you must add not with auxiliary verb. And when you say that there is a word that is related to negative word, in this situation you should not try not. So here we can add not, because there is no negative or not word in the sentence. So here not. You must remember that you should not write not as not. You have to write it as contracted form n apostrophe t. So in this situation our answer is haven't we. Haven't we. So here we have to be, here I have done 3 works. At first I have to select pronoun, who is pronoun, then auxiliary verb and then not. If there is no not, then you have to add here not. So in this situation we can say, my dear learners, if you try in the serially in following step by step rules, then it is very easy. And I think these grammatical items is the easiest grammatical items of class 9 and 10. So dear learners, I don't want to prolong my speech. I hope you are okay and be safe. See you in our next online class. Goodbye.